There's a gap between a corporation's branding and its marketing and its sales activity, and an in-store represents the point where something physical has to happen, and there's a juncture where the physical and the sales activity of an organisation meets. And that's actually quite a complex thing to do, because all of a sudden it goes from being a theoretical or conceptual thing that someone's buying to an actual thing that gets put in someone's home. And the typical way it's managed is you have basically an outbound call centre that gets on the phone, and they try and get hold of the customer and kind of make the final arrangements, the final tweaks. When you call someone on the phone, you're saying, the most important thing in your life right now is for me to speak with you. Now that's a huge assumption to make with a phone call. You're interrupting someone's day, someone's life to say this is the most important thing. People don't answer the phone. So let's say a typical outbound call centre is going to have maybe a success rate of between 20 to 35% of the time you actually get the phone answered. But the number of times you get to talk to the person you want to talk with is a fraction of that. We need to start an intelligent and automated conversation via the device of choice, a proactive conversation between the corporate and that individual customer. And they've got to be transactional. They've got to allow the customer, in this case, to make the adjustments that they want to suit the customer, not to suit the corporate. It's about the customer being cared for, being served.